You didn't do very good, buddy.
You've seen the coon problem that I've had, and I'm getting ready to take care of it. This is a dog-proof coon trap. It's dog-proof because they can't get their hands in there, and the only way to trigger this trap is for a coon to put his hand down in there and trip this trap right here. Its arm gets hung in that right there, and they ain't leaving. The only issue is I decided to do this on a whim, and all I've got is paracord, so they might chew through this, but I doubt it. I'm going to tie it to that tree over there, and I'm going to put these in the ground. I'm going to put this coon trap together and show you how well it works. All right, here's the dog-proof raccoon trap. As you can see, you got to squeeze this down and set this trap with this lever right here. So this, oh gosh, there we go. See how it's just riding on that right there? When a coon sticks his hand down in there, it'll pop it up. He'll pull on that, and then this spring will catch his arm in there. So this gets drove into the ground and it's tied to that tree right there. But I'm gonna shove this down in there like this. Then you're just going to put a little bit of cat food in there. I stole this food from my new kitten, but we're going to put some in there. We're going to put some all around it, and they're going to tear that up. When he reaches down in there and grabs that, he'll be caught. Do that with this one too. I'm gonna be able to see it with my camera, so I can tell if it's got something or not. Put a little bit of feed in it. I bet tonight we have something. Let's do it. Well, it's time to go check some traps, see what we got. I just drove up on the traps, and I cannot believe my eyes. How unlucky do you have to be
To get both traps caught? You didn't do very good, buddy. This is not a good look on you.
Oh, he coming after me. Well, okay, time to get you off the traps.